This is Scalenut. Scalenut, I suppose you already know it, it's an all-in-one SEO tool, and here is all you can do with Scalenut. Create human-grade content with AI, build a content strategy, auto-optimize existing content, get traffic insights, and these are two new features I want to show you in this video: build automated links and detect and humanize AI content. Welcome back on my channel Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, well, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel, because I'm here to show you today some of the new features of Scalenut. And again, you have many tools here: the content optimizer, the cruise mode to generate article. I already made videos about these features, so you can find the link here in the description. And you have the keyword planner, the traffic analyzer to get insights about your site, and AI link manager, but also humanize content. We will also talk about prices, and there is a special sale at the moment, but let's go inside the platform. This is the dashboard for Scalenut. Here is where you have your tools, article writer with cruise mode. Again, I already made a specific video with the auto SEO fix features. If you go in the description of this video, you can find the links. You have the content optimizer. Here is where you can optimize your already written content from your site or from articles you generate with Scalenut. You have the keyword planner. I already showed you this one in another video, so please check the description. You have the traffic analyzer. Now, I connected two of my test sites here. This is one site. I get really no traffic for this site, but this is a test site I have where I publish some of the AI-generated articles without doing too much SEO and so on. But here you can have some insights about your site performance, as you can see, like you find in another SEO tool. For example, you have traffic, impressions, average position of your keywords, the CTR, you have top gainers, top losers, top keywords, top pages, you have new pages and device distribution. Now let me change my site here so I can show you something more with this Italian site. As you can see here, I have some traffic, I have some impressions, I have my top gainers, top losers, top keywords, top pages, new pages in the SERP, I have a device distribution, I have a position distribution, and the click-through rate here. So this is very useful if you want to understand which keywords you need to work on, which keywords you are losing, and so on. You can change here CTR, impressions, rank, and so on. You have your inventory here with the ranking position and the rank change. So Scalenut is also useful to keep track of your ranking positions. This is really interesting, and it refreshes every single day. And you have a cannibalization section. I don't have cannibalization issues on this site, but in the case you have, you can find them here and fix your issues. So this is the traffic analyzer. Very quickly, just to show you, you also have this tool inside Scalenut. But let's go here in this detect and humanize. This is in beta. I just got the beta access, so I can show you how this works. You can click on this new scan button, and here you can insert the text you want to humanize. It's something you can also find in other specific tools, but now you can do it here directly in Scalenut. So I will use this section of my test site and paste it here. Okay, as you can see, I have my text. If I'm not wrong, this is written with I suppose ChatGPT, I don't remember, to be honest, but anyway, When I click this button, scan, I will have a report, a score, I suppose, of my content. As you can see here, 85% AI. The content is likely AI generated. So there are some free tools out there with this feature, or there are paid ones. The most famous, I suppose, is originality.ai. But anyway, now that I have my result here, 85% AI, I can just click on this button, humanize. And in just a few seconds, I have an alternative text. And as you can see, now my score is 24% AI. Obviously, when you do something like this, you need to read your new text and understand if it makes sense, if the words used, the sentences used are good for your content, but as you can see, you can do it very quickly with this new Scan and Humanize tool inside Scalenut. Very useful. Again, it's in beta, so maybe you can find some issues at the moment, but anyway, it's really useful. Now, if you want, you can stop the video and read by yourself the differences between these two texts. What I can see very quickly is this new text got rid of some words like while, however, and these common AI words. This is slightly shorter, and again, if you want, you can compare these two. This is the Scan and Humanize new tool in Scalenut. But let's go now in this link manager. This is really interesting because, again, here you can connect your site. As you can see, my site is connected here. When you connect your site by implementing a simple code in the head of your site, you can work with this new link manager. What this will do is scanning your site and find internal link opportunities. But not only. When you make some changes in your link structure, in your link opportunities here, you can push these changes directly to your website if it's connected. So as you can see, this is my example site. I have a domain strength score here, and this score is based on internal linking strategy. It's quite high because when I made these articles on my site, I interlinked all these articles together just to make sure they are good, and this is why I already have a high score here. But as you can see, I also have some opportunities, and I will show you how this works. I have the number of page crawled, I have new linking opportunities summary here, I have 12 I can make, and I have a link status split, all good, 19 pages, opportunity 5, action required 1. So for example, let's go into this action required. As you can see, if I go here, suggest a number of inbound links more than 5, and this is the sitemap. In this case, I don't know if this needs to be truly changed because it's the sitemap, so I don't think this is a real page to link to. But anyway, here I have about us page, the contact us page. As you can see, I have opportunities here, suggested number of inbound links more than 5. And again, these are just my blog pages. And as you can see, all my articles are good because, again, I already interlinked them. This is a category, for example, I have again an opportunity here, and also here it's all good, but I still have some opportunities. So if I click here in this opportunity one, add from one opportunity, here is the suggestion, link anchor text content from this URL to target URL. And here I have also a suggestion with the text I would use to link this content, the page, the target URL, and the button. Just by clicking this approve button, this will be pushed automatically to my site. Now let's go into this article where I again have 4 opportunities. I can click here. Here you can see I have an outbound opportunity and 3 inbound opportunity. They are separated. This is very useful. So for example, here in the inbound opportunities, let's say I want to automatically insert this internal link. This is my source URL, so let me open it up, and here it is. This is my article. Let's find this paragraph, and as you can see, this is my paragraph where I don't have this internal link, the link suggested by Scalenut. Now, if I want to include automatically this internal link, I just need to click on this approve button. I suppose I don't need to uncheck these ones, but just to make sure they are not included, I will uncheck these ones and just click on approve here. Okay, now it's approved. I need to go here, and as you can see here, you can review changes before pushing them to your website. Here is where you check all your changes, and then by clicking here, push changes live, you will make real fixes to your website directly from here. Now, if I go here again where I had my opportunities in this inbound section, it's published, and obviously if on your site you have some cache plugin, so the cache is stored, you need to wait until the cache refreshes, or you need to go and refresh your cache. For example, here, as you can see, I don't have any change because this page is cached in this browser. But if I open the same article in an anonymous page, as you can see here, an incognito page, this is my new link, the benefits of purified water. Now it's published directly from Scalenut without the need to go on your website and change all your links. Now, this is just one in this example, but let's pretend you have a website, you publish a lot of articles, you don't do any internal linking, and then you can do it all in one time here, just by following all these suggestions and by clicking one button. This is very useful to increase your topical authority on your website and work on all your internal linking strategy here in Scalenut very easily by following all these instructions. And these are the new features you can find in Scalenut. I think they are very useful. This is a very comprehensive content generator and SEO tool, as you can see, because you have many tools from article writer again, the content optimizer for SEO, the keyword planner, the traffic analyzer, the link manager, and detect and humanize. So it's time to talk about prices for Scalenut. Obviously, as you can see, as of today, you still have this opportunity, this chance to take advantage of this Independence Day sale. They extended it so you can have a 55% off on annual plans plus 4 add-ons. Yes, because some of the features I showed you are add-ons. So these are the prices for the annual plans where you save 55%. And as you can see, you have an essential plan, quite cheap, but you have a word limit here. You have this limit on creating SEO articles. You also have AI images, factual content, obviously, traffic insights, weekly trends, copyright templates, SERP analysis, NLP key terms, SEO editor, document sharing, email support, and live chat support. But Link Manager is an add-on. As you can see here, you have 1000 pages for $8.5 monthly with the annual plan. But let's also go here in the monthly plans so you can see the differences. As you can see by yourself, it's way more expensive if you just use it for 1 month. So if you are serious about SEO, obviously my suggestion is to go for an annual plan, especially with this special discount. Now, obviously, if you take advantage of this promotion, you also have 4 add-ons. And again, a Link Manager is an add-on, as you can see here. And if you want, you can read by yourself the prices for the other plans and what you can get. For example, unlimited words, many more SEO articles, many more things here, unlimited tone of voice, topic gaps, new topic ideas, and so on. And here it is. I suppose also the scanning humanize will be an add-on. I think, I'm not sure about it because it's in beta, but at the moment the only add-on you can see here is the Link Manager. But take advantage of this promotion so you can have 4 guaranteed add-ons. Okay, so these are the prices with the actual promotion with Scalenut. This is what you can get if you act fast. Obviously, you can find the link in the description, and just by clicking my link, you can go here and take advantage of these 55 off promotion on the annual plans for Scalenut. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and again, if you want to watch my previous videos about Scalenut, you can find them in the description or just click here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.